Assalamualaikum everyone. In today's lecture, we are diving into the world of images in MS Word. By the end of this video, you will be able to insert, format, and customize images to make your documents truly shine. Let's get started and unleash your activity. First of all, section 1, inserting an image. How to insert images? Let's start by inserting an image. Go to the Insert tab, click on the picture, then choose this device. Select your image, then click on Insert. Now your image will appear in your document. Section 2, resizing and moving images. How to resize and move images? To resize proportionally, click and drag a corner handle. To move the image, click and drag it to your desired location. Select the image and resize your image. Now your image is resized. By moving your picture, click on the wrap text, then click on in front of text. By doing this, our image will start moving. Section 3, applying picture styles. What are picture styles? A picture style is a pre-designed formatting options that allows you to quickly change appearance of document. Go to the picture style group, then select one of them. This can add a professional touch to your document. Section number 4, cropping images. How to crop image? Select the image and go to the picture tools and click on crop. Click and drag the crop handles to adjust the area you want to keep. Okay. Now our image is perfectly framed. Section number 5, adding picture effects. How to add picture effects to our image? What are picture effects? Picture effects are a range of creative filters that can be applied to image to transform their appearance. Add picture effects to our image. To add some flair, let's apply picture effects to our image. Select the image, then go to the picture format and click picture effects. Now select one of them. Scroll through the effects and click to apply one you like. These effects can give your image a unique look that stands out. Section number 6, adjusting image brightness and contrast. What is image brightness? Image brightness refers to overall lightness or darkness of an image. And what is image contrast? Image contrast refers to the difference between light and dark areas of an image. Let's fine-tune our image by adjusting its brightness and contrast. Select the image, go to the picture format, and click corrections. Here you can adjust the brightness and contrast to enhance the visibility and clarity of your image. Section number 7, adding captions and alt text. What is caption? A caption is a visible text description that appears below the image. It provides brief explanation or title for the image. And what is an alt text? Alt text is an abbreviation of alternative text. Alt text is an invisible text description that is read by screen readers and search engines. To add a caption, right click on the picture, then insert caption, click on the OK. Now your caption is applied. To how to enter an alt? To add alt text, right click the image, then view alt text. Here we can write description of our image. Okay students, let's wind up our today's lecture. Remember, images can make your documents more engaging and informative. Practice these skills to create really stunning documents. God bless all of you. Thanks for watching Shining Star and Sparkling Mind. Allah Hafiz.